What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's gonna be a little different. Not gonna be messing with the DSM or the Evo or just DSM's period. But today Andy pulled up. Mr. LFA TV pulled up with Gucci Mane. Andy, French Montana looking ass, pulled up. He actually got some goodies for his Z and we're gonna install them today. So he's gonna show us what he got. If you guys haven't seen, he just picked up this 370Z Nismo edition. So it's hella clean, it's nice. But you guys know us, we can't keep anything stock. So he got a full exhaust, tomei exhaust. Full titanium, so that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Titanium white pipe.
He got the white pipe and the exhaust, you said?
Yep.
So he's gonna be going ham. He said he doesn't want that stock noise, so we're gonna be installing that today. So that's the plan for today. So before we install this, I want to go actual test drive the car to see, you know, the difference as far as noise and see if I feel a difference in performance. So I told Danny I want to drive it before we install it, and so we're gonna go do that real quick. Mr. LFA TV is gonna be my cameraman while I drive the car real quick, and then we'll be back, and then we'll get the car ready for this. Drive with these shoes. So I just want to get a little comparison of what it's gonna feel like if it does something as far as performance wise. I know it's gonna do something noise wise, but I want to see if it's gonna do something performance wise. So we'll go check it out. Does she think that's slower? Pretty good. So I guess I'll feel the difference. They're not that bad. I didn't think they were this. I thought they were slower, to be honest. But they feel pretty good. I wonder if the exhaust is gonna make a difference. So I guess we'll find out when we slap them on. Madres a la verga. We're fucking hauling ass. Andy doesn't have any more brakes. we did a first to fourth gear, so we're done. No more pulls.
We're in the streets of Mexico, by the way, so this is totally fine.
Hey, wait. If you don't race your Evo, your Z, I fucking pulled on it right now. I did a nasty pull.
What happened?
I did a big ass pull from first to fourth gear.
The owner has actually never taken it above 4,000 RPM.
I already raced it before. What do you mean?
It feels good. It's not that slow.
For stock, it's not that bad. I raced it 5.0.
It feels good.
Okay, what is this?
And my Nismo is the Batmobile.
Alright, so here we're gonna start unboxing exhaust. Here's all your hardware, bolts, nuts, gaskets, and the clamps. And then here's this is your white pipe, you said?
Yep.
Sick ass white pipe. Kinda can get it done. Don't stab me with that. But check it out, guys. Looks clean. We're gonna go ahead and open the rest of the stuff, and then I'll show you guys everything once we have everything out. Alrighty guys, check it out. This is all you get in your package for a total of $1,700, right?
Yep.
$1,700. You get your exhaust, she purdy, your white pipe, and then all the other pipes. So with all your hardware, all the clamps, everything you need pretty much. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the stocky. So shouldn't be too hard to pull them off. We'll see. But let me get started. I'll catch you guys when I have it all out.
Oh, así abajo. Porque la caja. Porque está más fácil. Ahí va.
You're recording this? Turn it on. Alrighty guys, take number 2. We had to come back because the exhaust was sitting a little low. How does my hair look? The exhaust was sitting a little low, so we had to come back and adjust it. So now we're good. So like I was saying, it is definitely way louder. Now let's go see how.
If it pulls any different?
If it pulls any different, I probably won't notice it. But
you want me to?
Go ahead. Racing shoes on too. I got my Brian O'Connor's. That's on the Instagram.
Nigga.
Oh yes, baby.
Does it feel any different?
I think it does a little bit, maybe a tad bit. Let's give it another go.
What is that?
120. Hey! Alrighty guys, you guys probably can't see. Are you happy?
Happy as fuck.
Was it a success? I can't see you, bro, but
Hold on.
success. Oh, there you go. Success?
Super success.
Hell yeah, alright, bro. That's my job, to make you happy. Alrighty guys, well that is gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. The install was a success, and Andy was pretty happy, so big shout out to Juan for helping me out with the whole installing. Shout out to Mr. LFA for getting all the angles and recording while I was under the car. Shout out to Andy for passing me the tools, so shout out to all three of them. And the turnout was good. He liked his tomei, and it sounded pretty freaking sick. It's a sick ass exhaust, and it sure beats the stock one. So yeah guys, it was a good, it wasn't too hard to install. It was pretty damn easy. Just literally plug and play, like you just throw it all on and everything bolts up. So good with that. And you know, tomei did a really good job with you know, making the fitment. So the fitment was like perfect. Everything bolted up. We didn't have to bend this little bracket there, bend this little bracket there, nothing. Everything fit perfect, and it looks really good, and it sounds really good. So Yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go follow me at 4G63Addict. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.